YouTube? I'm just taking y'all on a nice little night POV. Night little POV drive, bruh. Basically just got off work, so I know where I'm going. You kind of get a look at the city a little bit. So I'm gonna take y'all. I don't really got like anything specifically I'm talking about today. We just gonna be cruising today, man. We just gonna be cruising today, bruh. Y'all probably won't be able to see too much, cause I got 5% tint and I could barely see my damn self. So let me make sure this shit taking me the right way though. Nigga was definitely going the wrong way. So for the people who don't know, I got a 2014 Hyundai Genesis Coupe 2.0T. This is the R spec. So this is the one with the, you know, the Brembo brakes and it's the spoiler, rims. Basically, it's not the base model. You get a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? Did I say this already? Happy 420. I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but it's 420. For all the people who smoking out there, bro, hope y'all having a good day, man. I know here, bro, I'm in Richmond, bro, the weather here it's amazing right now, bro. Like, I think it's 61 right now. Bro, the weather is perfect, bruh. I think I can make a left here. Yo. Ooh, shit's weird. For the people who don't know, this car is fully stock. I just got a blow-off valve and a cold air intake attached to it. I'm not gonna hold you. I low-key don't know where I'm going. This is what it sounded like downshifting with a stock exhaust. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. In my opinion, I feel like the stock exhaust, like when you downshift, I feel like that don't sound good sometimes, bro. I don't like, you feel me? Oh, that's a big bump. Oh shit. Nigga, I ain't even hit the gas. Sheesh. Man, oh man. I low-key gotta do my oil change, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. make this laugh. Damn! I can't wait until I get an exhaust, bro. Loud ass train. Smart that guy is. No cap. Bro, I can't wait until I get the exhaust. I know I said that so many times, but it's like, shit sounds so good, bro. Only thing is, when your car loud, bro, one, that shit make you want to speed. Two, you be loud, bro. That boy got that Challenger right next to me, though. Hey, man, big SRT don't want no smoke with me, man. That's all I gotta say. Bro, this 2.0 is small, but this bitch is mighty. Sheesh. I think it's just a pop. Yeah. I think it's just a pothole. Is that... smell the water from here. This shit smell like some shit. Oh! Damn, I just inhaled that bitch. Oh my, bro, you know what it smells like? It smells like, bro, it smells hella fishy. It smells like when you walk into, I don't know, it reminds me of like an aquarium. Like when you walk into the aquarium and you can just smell the water already. Like you can smell the fishes in that junk. Like, I don't know. I didn't know that shit stank. Bro, I low-key don't know where I'm going though. I low-key don't know where I'm going. That shit sounds so good, bro. Shit. Shit sounds so good. Just some trash, bro. Man, I had a long day at work, bro. I was supposed to get off at 7, but then the person who was supposed to be closing called out, so I had to fucking close. Bruh, my 9-hour shift turned into 10 hours, and then the employees, they were talking about like, man, it's only 1 extra hour, bro. Like, it's 1 extra hour for you. Like, to me, that don't be dragging, bruh. And it's like, you'll work 1 extra hour and you will not get off on time, bro. Bro, and I was supposed to get off at 8. I didn't get off until like 8:37. 8:37. Bro, I'm trying to go home. I'm trying to eat. Like, I'm trying to record this vid for y'all. Niggas over here stopping me from doing that shit. Yo, that's a mean incline. Shit. That should be fast as fuck. I'ma go around you. I'ma go around you. one thing I like, when it be like this, walls on each side, that shit be echoing. Bro, I love driving when the walls be like that. When they be building on each side, bro, that don't be echoing. That don't be echoing. Bro, for a stock car, when it hits boost, bro, that don't be hitting boost, bro. Like, summertime, I ain't gonna hold you, when it's get heat soaked, it be a little slow, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this don't do be a little slow. When it's not cold, but you know, when it's chilly, when it's a little chilly outside, and turbo cars, they just like to function a lot better. I feel like that's all cars, but turbo cars, they definitely get hit with heat soak, no cap. Sheesh. Bro, I thought they were naked, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. I was like, yo, you got clothes on. hey, that's none of my business though. That's none of my business. But I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm probably gonna end the video after this little pool right here, bro. I don't even know if I'm gonna do a pool, but I know I'm probably gonna end the video here. So if y'all like the little quick video, bro. And that was a cop. That was a cop. Oh, we straight. We straight. We straight. See, if I had a loud car, bro, my shit would have been screaming, nigga. And it was a Richmond police too. But we chilling. We chilling. That blowout. Oh, we got a light. Come on. Come on. Alright, bro, I'm probably gonna end the video here though. If y'all like the video, smash the like button. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one though.